Hello, this is Kevin from Oil Solutions. I'm going to show you how to use Oil Solutions, how it works. This is diesel fuel. Works on any fuel. Of course, I'm in the water. A little bit on land. Now, if you have a spill like this I'd consider pooling oil above the ground. That's the only time you're going to use Oil Solutions powder. When you put it on, you want to first it's going to turn the color of the fuel, and you want to apply it heavy. You want to put it on so you have white virgin powder on top. And what that ensures is that it went all the way through and grabbed all the fuel. Also, two cool features. One is you can't waste it. It works right away, and you can't waste it. So all this white virgin powder here on top, I can just sweep all that off. Put it all back in the bag. Save it. That's great because you have less disposal. There's all your fuel. You can sweep that up. Scraper. I can use my hand. I'm just going to scrape that up. And there you go. There's all your oil. And that'd be for a pooling oil spill. Then for oil that has, if you got to a spill later and it's soaked into the ground, I don't know if you can see it here, but there's still a circle on the table. I still smell the oil there. For that, we have something called Oil Solutions Liquid Step 1 and Step 2. For this, you can apply 1 and 2. You can apply it at the same time. I always do it at the same time. It's easier. You want to do equal portions. Spray it on. And what this is going to do, not only clean up all that residue that's there, but it's going to eliminate the odor immediately. Odor's completely gone. Works right away. It's going to lift that stain, even if it was 10 years old. It'll lift the stain, and that's it. And the most important thing is the liquid. You apply the Step 1, Step 2, and you just leave it. You don't clean it up. The powder you clean up right away. The liquid you never clean it up. The final product here is going to be a dry, non-toxic sand, and you just leave it there. So we're just going to leave that. Jump back over here to the water. If you ever have a spill in water, you can see I'm going to take all my good powder, save it, put it back in the bag. There's all my oil. I can just wring this out, and the only thing that's going to come out of there is just the water that's on it. There's no oil getting on my hand. I hardly smell it anymore, and the water is completely clean in the bowl. That will just float indefinitely. Obviously, you take it out, remove it, toss it away, and you're done. So again, the powder is for pooling oil. So oil, it's above the ground pooling. The liquid's going to be for oil that's on the ground or soaked into the ground. And then one little trick for you is if you use the Step 1 by itself, that'd be for oil sheen. A lot of times we get calls and somebody has a spill on a pond or just in a body of water. And it's not really an oil spill like puddling oil in the water. It's more of just a rainbow sheen going across. So for that, you take just the Oil Solution Step 1 by itself, put it in a sprayer, spray it, it'll encapsulate it instantly, drop it to the bottom and naturally biodegrade and clean any kind of rainbow sheen up. And that's it. That's Oil Solutions Powder, Oil Solutions Liquid. You can check us out at www.cleaningupoil.com, or you can give us a call at 631-608-8888. Kevin from Oil Solutions.